Morphy iron will let you forget your ironers. Hey everyone, this is Arthur from China, India, and today I am going to give you a quick overview of Morphy Super Glide 2000 watt steam iron. First things first, let's start by talking about the design of this appliance. This iron by Morphy sports a snazzy build. The blue and white design looks elegant with the Morphy branding at the bottom. Made out of a plastic body, the product weighs 1.3 kg, which is well balanced and enables you to press any fabric uniformly. You get an extra long 360-degree rotatable swivel cord for the ease of movement. This steam iron features a 350 ml water tank and 46 steam holes with a ceramic coated sole plate for refined ironing experience. There is a red illuminated indicator signifying the power of the iron. It's time we cover the features of the steam iron. Having a power of 2000 watts, this steam iron can easily flatten each and every wrinkle that comes its way. This power is combined with an advanced diamond and ceramic coated sole plate, which facilitates even distribution of heat, while the steam sprays helps in pressing and smoothing of the fabric. You get an adjustable thermostatic control on the iron, which allows you to utilize the complete potential of the 2000 watts of power on board. With the user being able to adjust the heat according to the cloth, this also adds to a customized experience to it. A self-clean feature is on board which flushes out any deposits automatically, thus preventing the steam vents below from getting clogged, adding to its efficiency. So guys, that was a quick overview of Morphy Super Glide 2000 watt steam iron, and I hope you found this video helpful.
Presenting Rico Heavyweight Automatic Dry Iron. It is available in the color white. It is also available in 2 kg, 1.5 kg and 0.6 kg size variants. It features heavy power capacity of 1000 watts that ensures equal distribution of heat with minimum efforts required. The iron comes with premium Golden American Heritage sole plate coating, which is 3 times longer and stronger than non-stick coating that is suitable for smooth and easy ironing of clothes. The temperature control dial lets you set the desired heat required to iron your garments. This heavyweight iron, which weighs 2 kg, flattens out the most creased clothes smoothly with minimum efforts. Furthermore, it comes with safety thermal fuse with the purpose to reduce power risk, electric shock and injuries caused due to overheating. Introducing the Usha Techni Direct Garment Steamer in the color purple and white. This product is also available in the color green and white. It functions on 920 watts with a powerful steam output of up to 21 gram per minute. This steamer features a vertical steam facility for easy wrinkle removal. It is equipped with a 200 ml water tank. This Usha steamer has a 1.8 meters long, 360-degree swivel cord for flexible movement, and a detachable fabric brush with a lint removal feature. It comes with an overheat shut-off thermostat and a power indicator for safety. The product measures 28.5 by 14.2 by 12.4 centimeters and weighs 920 grams. The box includes 1 garment steamer and 1 lint removal brush. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.